I'm Scott Williams. I own Skyefire Bakery, and this is how we do it. This is how we rise, form, and proof our sourdough. Dough elasticity is very important. We divide our doughs up, round it up, and let it sit. You can do 2 risings, one as a bulk rising in the bin, and the second divide it up in its final shape. We round ours, but you can fold. All that does is creates a different structure of the bread. A wetter dough tends to need more rounding and forming than a dry dough, but a wetter dough will give you bigger irregular holes. A dry dough, you're gonna have those fine holes. So once you've got it rounded, you need to let it proof enough or else it'll crack open in the oven, or if it's overproofed, you'll have no color. This is how we rise, form, and proof our sourdough.